This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Xiaomi 14. Update MIUI and grant required permissions so Circle Search can access camera, photos, and microphone. Now open the camera app or the photos gallery. Locate the small Circle Search icon near the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it to activate the feature. Once active, you'll see a circular selector overlay. Use it immediately to frame the area you want searched. This first step gets you into the tool quickly, without extra menus. Once the circular selector is visible, drag its edge or pinch to resize so it tightly frames the subject. This improves accuracy. Make sure to tap and hold if you need to lock focus before capture. Then press the search button and watch the results populate. You can tap any suggestion to refine results or switch modes between text recognition, object ID, and shopping. If accuracy is low, make the circles smaller and center the clearest part. That helps the algorithm pick relevant matches. You'll review the result cards. Tap a card to open product pages, translation details, or web sources, and use long press to save or share. If the result isn't useful, make a new capture with better lighting or a tighter circle. Sometimes toggling the mode yields different matches. If Circle Search fails, check permissions, restart the camera app, and clear the app cache. These steps usually resolve issues. Finally, update MIUI when prompted to keep recognition models current and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.